Are duplicate files taking up your OneDrive storage? Don't worry, in this video, we'll show you how to remove duplicate files from OneDrive personal or business account
Using MacSonik OneDrive Duplicate Finder and Remover. So, let's get started.
First, download and run the MacSonik OneDrive Duplicate Finder and Remover tool on your system. Next, choose the type of account you want to use, personal or business, and click Sign In. Now, enter your login credentials. Make sure your OneDrive account is open in your default browser. After signing in, you'll see a storage summary of your OneDrive, including account details, usage, and timestamp. Now, click Scan All Folders to begin scanning your OneDrive for duplicate files. Once the scan starts, you can preview all the files and folders linked to your account. Select the files you want to check for duplicates, then click Find Duplicate Files. Now sit back and wait while the tool scans your files for duplicates. After the scan, a pop-up will appear showing the total number of duplicate files and groups found. In the results window, you'll see a detailed list of duplicate files. If your dataset spans multiple pages, use the Next and Previous buttons to navigate. Here, you can choose between two options: Default Duplicate Solution to customize your selection, or select Page Duplicates to pick all duplicates on the current page. Next, under Select Duplicate, choose how you want duplicates handled. Keep only the newest file, keep only the oldest file, or unselect everything. In Delete options, you can either delete permanently to remove duplicates forever, or move to bin for a temporary deletion so you can restore later. Now proceed with the deletion option you selected and wait for the process to finish. Once done, click OK. Finally, check the results. You'll see the total duplicates removed, the storage space you recovered, the duplicate file names, and their file paths. And that's it! With MacSonik OneDrive Duplicate Finder and Remover, you can quickly clean up duplicate files, save storage, and keep your OneDrive organized. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out the link in the description to get started today.